Hi, I'm Marshall. I'm the owner of Going Gear, and I'm here in our store in Smyrna, Georgia. And this is the quick and dirty review of the Fenix TK75 4000 Lumen Edition. Alright, so here we are with the 2015 version of the Fenix TK75. Pretty much the only change they made to this is they bumped up the output by quite a bit. I think the original was something like 2,900 lumens. The new one is 4,000 lumens. And I had so many people asking me to do a review. Normally, I don't bother with upgrades. I just say, hey, look at the old one and imagine it being brighter. But this one, we had so many requests that I decided to go ahead and do a full review. So check out the extended review if you want to see all of this more in depth. Anyway, we've got four 18650s in here. It's powered by four 18650 batteries. They're not included, but you can always get them from us along with the charger. Two switches there, four Cree XML2 LEDs, each in their own little separate reflector area. Comes with a pretty decent case. It's actually very reasonable to store the light in because it's not too big. You've got a shoulder strap. You've got some other accessories in there, a lanyard, some spare O-rings. You have the user manual, warranty information, all that kind of standard stuff. And then the light itself. So this is a lanyard attachment point. This can actually unscrew off of there if you don't want it. You can see it just unscrews right off. I'm going to leave it on there. There's the tail cap. And here are your two switches. So the one here on the right is called the master switch. You press and hold it for a half second and it'll turn the light on. Tap it again, keep on tapping it. It'll cycle through your four different outputs. Now, from any output, if you press the left switch, it'll go straight into the burst mode, the full output of the 4,000 lumens. Press it again, it'll go into whatever output you had it in last. And then press and hold, and it'll go straight into strobe. And it'll actually do both of those from off as well. So press it once, and it'll go straight into the burst. And then press and hold it from off, and it'll go straight into the strobe. There's also a lockout function. Press and hold both switches for 3 seconds, and it'll be locked out. It'll flash a couple times. Then whenever you hit the switches, it'll just flash a couple times. Press and hold again for 3 seconds, and it'll go into your regular operation, and you can just use the switches as normal. So that's the interface and everything of the new 2015 TK75. Let's go ahead and take it outside. We'll show you what it can do outside. All right, we're outside with the 2015 TK75. Let's go ahead and try it out. There is your max output of the 4,000 lumens. 30 feet right there, 100 feet away. Let's zoom in on that just so you can see how well it is lit up. Obviously lit up extremely well. The light colors, the dark colors. You got that really nice bright hotspot that gives you some solid distance, and it's a very large hotspot in addition to a very bright, very usable, very wide spill. A whole lot of things going on with this light. It's not very compact, but other than that, it can do some pretty cool stuff. Let me actually show you the lower outputs. What those look like. We'll cycle through them. You can see even the lowest one makes it out there to the dock house pretty well. And then when you need them, you can crank them up to the higher outputs. Very cool light. The original TK75 was very, very popular, and they just made it even better. So that is the 2015 Fenix TK75. If you like it, you can buy it from me at goinggear.com. As always, get going and start something. Thanks for watching.